Hello friend, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will make one type of burfi. So let's start. I will take here one cup of clarified butter. Then I will add half cup of whole wheat flour. After that I will fry it in very low flame. Then I will add little by little ghee and mix in well manner. Again I will add here clarified butter. Cook till nice aroma coming out. Now I switch off the gas flame and keep aside for 10 minutes. Let's see, it is not so hot and not so cold. Now add half cup of powdered sugar. Then I will add 1 tablespoon sugar grind with 2 nodes of green cardamom. It means green इलायची हम ऐड करेंगे यहाँ पे. Then after I will mix properly. Now I keep the butter paper in a mold and grease the mold with ghee. Now pour the mixture in a mold and spread it equally. Then close lid, keep in the fridge for 10 minutes. After that 1 hour. I will keep 1 hour. Now I take outside. It's ready. Now loose up from its sides. Now demold it. I will tap by my finger. Let's see. Perfect shape. So, now I cut into small pieces. Just like that. Our childhood favorite sweet. It's ready to eat. See friend, this is very tasty and delicious. Now you can make in your home and subscribe, like.